If you're over 75, you've probably noticed something you didn't expect. Strength doesn't disappear all at once. It slips away quietly. One day your legs feel a little heavier. Another day the stairs feel slightly taller. And before you know it, walking the same distance takes more effort than it used to. Most seniors think this is normal aging, but what if the real reason has nothing to do with age, and everything to do with the type of protein your muscles are receiving? The truth is shocking. After 70, your muscles become resistant to the usual protein you've been eating your whole life. Eggs, chicken, even expensive protein powders don't activate the same repair response anymore. Your digestion slows down, your body absorbs less, and the amino acids inside these foods don't reach your muscles fast enough to trigger growth. Doctors call this condition anabolic resistance, but there's good news. Because recent studies reveal something incredible. Certain natural seeds outperform eggs by a massive margin when it comes to rebuilding muscle in older adults. They digest easier, deliver more usable amino acids, and switch on the repair signals aging muscles desperately need. Imagine improving your walking power again. Imagine standing up from a chair without pushing on your knees. Imagine climbing stairs with confidence without shaking or stiffness. This isn't wishful thinking, it's biology. And nature has already given you the tools. These seeds are grown in different parts of the world, yet every single one of them contains unique compounds that aging muscles respond to instantly. They help your body absorb more protein, rebuild firmness in the legs, strengthen joints, and support balance in ways regular foods simply can't. The first thing seniors notice when they add these seeds is energy, not the jittery kind, but a natural lift that helps them move throughout the day. The second thing is stability. The legs stop wobbling, standing feels more solid, and walking becomes smoother. The third thing is the subtle but powerful return of muscle firmness. Not bulk, but strength. The kind of strength that makes everyday life feel safe again. Why do these seeds work so well? Because they contain leucine-rich amino acids, fiber that slows muscle breakdown, minerals that reactivate muscle cells, and natural oils that reduce inflammation around the knees and hips. Eggs are an amazing food for younger adults, but after 70, the body simply can't extract their protein the same way. Seeds, on the other hand, break down quickly, absorb faster, and reach the bloodstream almost immediately. This is why seniors who eat them daily report better balance, stronger posture, improved mobility, and even fewer nighttime leg cramps. When older adults switch from traditional proteins to seed-based proteins, one thing becomes clear: their recovery improves. They feel less tired in their legs, they stand longer without discomfort, and lifting simple household items doesn't feel like a challenge anymore. Some seniors even report that the stiffness they've had for years begins to fade once their body finally receives protein it can actually use. These seeds also help protect your muscles from shrinking further, which is critical after 75. At this age, every year of muscle loss can lead to reduced mobility, weaker bones, and increased fall risk. But when your muscles receive the right kind of protein, the decline slows down dramatically. And in many cases, the body starts rebuilding again. Think about your daily life. The moments where your strength matters most. Getting out of bed, rising from a chair, lifting a small bag of groceries, bending down to pick something up, walking to the gate, climbing even a few steps. Every single one of these movements depends on leg strength, and your legs depend on the protein you give them. If the protein isn't usable, the muscles simply can't repair. That's why so many seniors feel weaker, even though they eat well. But the moment your muscles start receiving the right amino acids, everything changes. You begin to feel grounded again. Your steps become more stable. Your balance improves. You trust your legs more. And for many older adults, that feeling alone is life-changing. Strength is not just physical, it's emotional. It brings confidence, independence, and dignity. So as you watch this video, remember this: your strength is not gone. It is waiting. Your muscles are still capable of rebuilding, repairing, and growing, even at 75, even at 80, even at 90. You simply need the right fuel. These seeds are small, but their impact is powerful. Nature designed them with everything aging muscles need to wake up, activate, and rebuild. Give your body these tools, and it will respond, no matter your age. Because your story of strength is not finished, it's just beginning.